Hello, this is Mana Jabbar, and this is my submission for the project or like assignment two for CST 8917. So I built the same workflow two different ways. So I'd actually compare it, like compared to Azure tools instead of just reading about them. So the workflow is an expense approval system. Employee submits an expense. If it's under $100, it gets approved. If it's under $100, if it's above $100, it gets like it goes like so like I have to wait for the manager to either accept it or reject it. And if the manager doesn't accept it, you like you accept it anyways, you approve it anyways, but flag it as escalated. Then I email the employee either way. So I built like two versions, which one is version A, one is version B. For version A, so I built it using durable functions. That's the code first way, all in Python. I wrote an orchestrator function that validates the expense. Um, Wait, let's close this first. Um, but yeah, like I wrote an orchestrator function that validates the expense, checks the amount, and yeah, this is the mm, like I'm just gonna probably like show it like to see how it works. So he got like we got I don't know how many, like one, three, four, five, six, seven scenarios or six. I think it's like just six, yeah. Okay, so like let's just send a request here and it got accepted. This one, the first scenario is accepted because it's less than 450. It's less than 100. As you can see, it's like less than 100. We got an email. If you want me to show the email, I don't mind it. Give me a second. Um, okay, your expense was not this one. I'm not gonna show it because I don't want to expose my email. But either way, I got the notification. Second one is just like you sending 350, and you have to wait for the approval from the manager if he accepts it or not. Yeah, for the third scenario, so like manager rejects it. For the fourth, reject it. Um, Fifth, so like if he missing some field, um, so like it gives an error. For the 6 month, it says like yeah, for the response it would say invalid category. So it gives an instant error. But yeah, this is for the version A, which is the durable function. For I built the same version as this same one, but with Logic app. So this one is like the same, like you send a request and it's auto approve because it's less than like same thing. Um, but yeah, for version B, so I used Logic Apps and Service Bus. I set up a queue that receives an expense, a Logic app that picks it up and validates it, and the same branching logic. Small amount auto approves, big amount wait from the manager. For the tricky part here, that was the Logic app doesn't have a built-in way to wait for personal timeout, so I just had to repropose a webhook action to fix that behavior. For the bugs, I had a lot, like couple of bugs, and I'm also deploying both of these for real. For real is where it got interesting. Um, I actually found two real bugs just from running things that I've never thought I'll catch. Um, just reading the code, my email step crashed because in one test the missing field was the employee's email itself. So it tried to send an email to nobody. Two, the manager decision was coming back as a text string instead of already being parsed. So my code crashed trying to read it. So I fixed both of these. Um, for recommendation, I would just say for a real production system, I would go for with durable function. It's more testable, cheaper, at scale, and the manager approval pattern is literally built in instead of something I had to hack together. But I would pick Logic Apps if it's if the team isn't full of the developers, or if you need that visual run history to explain it to a non-technical person exactly what happened. But yeah, um, so like you can just try like everything and it's like it works perfectly. And I got the emails, but like wait, can I show them? Yeah, like as you can see, like I got all the emails. This one got rejected because it's above $100, and this one has had error, like validation error. Category was wrong, as I said. I'm like, yeah, everything is working fine. Uh, but yeah, that's it. So, okay, yeah, let me show the resources, but also, for the resources, yeah, like let's show the durable expense, durable, this one, the function app, let's just say, um, so like, yeah, this is the function, like every resource that I used in this, and there's like, you can see, auto approve, expense orchestrator, manager decisions, send notification, submit expense, validate expense. What else for Logic app? Where's the Logic app? Uh, this one. Yeah, like everything as you can see, it's here. But yeah, this is my whole like project, and thank you so much.